Hospitals around the state now scrambling to bring in enough doctors and nurses to staff ICU rooms that are getting close to capacity. ABC 15's Cameron Polam talking to one doctor who's now being brought in to help stem the tide at our state's biggest facilities.
Take a few deep breaths.
The number of coronavirus cases are going up and up. Hospital beds filling up too. Nurses and doctors watching the disaster unfold firsthand all across the valley.
We don't have resources for much more, honestly.
We are on unstable ground.
Hospitals have prepared for months with this scenario in mind. Extra beds ready when surge capacity is reached. A surge line set up by the state to allow patients to be transferred to hospital systems that have more room. Northern Arizona hospitals have already volunteered to step up if Maricopa County is overwhelmed. But that doesn't solve the problem. Here's how one ER doc put it earlier this week.
It's actually not straight up real estate of hospital beds. It's really the ability of the hospitals to staff those ICU beds.
Staffing now in short supply across all Arizona hospitals. Both ICU and inpatient bed capacity hover around 85%.
We are getting really close to the point where we're going to have unsafe ratios, and patient care is going to suffer.
Nurses and support staff caring for more patients than they can handle. Banner, the state's largest hospital system, now bringing in help from outside and inside the state.
We're this backup army, so to speak, and we're ready to get in there and do the work again.
Dr. Andrew Carroll runs a private family medicine clinic in Chandler. Within weeks, he'll be on the front lines of this pandemic, one of dozens of local providers recruited over the last few months.
Even with the COVID surge, people still have heart attacks. People still get pneumonia. People still have trauma and accidents.
The hospital is also recalling retirees and traveling nurses, some who saw it play out inside New York hospitals. Dr. Carroll says it'll take an all-hands-on-deck approach to control what's on the horizon.
It really is a very dangerous situation for us to be in.
I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15 Arizona.